Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am gonna show you how to enable and use screen of gestures in a Realme 99 smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, so you can see if we go in convenience tools, so here if we go in gesture and motion, so you can see the screen of gestures. Tap on it and tap here to enable it. So you can see double tap to wake a screen, draw and O to open camera, draw V to turn on or off flashlight. Here you can see the music control, and you can also add custom gesture over there, which is a really good thing. So now quickly enable all this. So now check this out. So if we double tap, so you can see, okay guys, double tap like this to turn on the screen, which is a really good thing. You can see it is really quickly turn on the screen. You can see, just double tap like this to turn on the screen. You can see, yeah, it is really fast. You can see, just double tap like this to turn on the screen. And if we draw O, let's check this out. Just draw O. Okay, so you can see camera launch, you can see draw O. If we close the screen, you can see just draw O like this to open the camera. You can see, yep. So you can see, and if we draw V, just draw V like this to turn on the flashlight. You can see, and again draw V to turn it off. You can see, first draw V to turn on the flashlight, and again draw V to turn it off. So guys, this is the screen of gesture of Realme 9i smartphone. You can see, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.